Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change display name in Outlook. It will be really simple and easy. So by default, your email address will be used as your display name, but we can change that. So what we have to do is we have to come over on the home page and then on the left hand side, click on this file option and you can see this option account setting. Just simply tap on this drop down and tap on this account settings here. Right over here you can see now all of your email accounts in this window. So we are going to tap on the email address that we want to change the account name of, and just above that there is a new repair and change. We are going to go ahead and tap on change. Now right over here you can see there is your name, and by default, as I mentioned, your email address is there. We can now go ahead and actually change it to whatever we want, and then simply tap on this next in the bottom and your settings will now be changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change display name in Outlook. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.